the reception. To check the reception, you simply press the corrector button for 1 second. The second hand then indicates the reception possibilities as shown on the case back. For example, the hour 1 indicates the reception of DCF, the European signal, the hour 9, the US signal, and hour 6 indicates that the watch recently did not have any signal. To receive the signal, you press the corrector button for 3 seconds. 1, 2, and 3. The second hand will then move to the hour 8, which tells that the watch is ready to receive a signal. The reception period may last for approximately 10 minutes, so please make sure that there is no electronic magnetic noise close to the watch. Even without reception, the watch will have a stored perpetual calendar, so even in quartz mode, you have the correct date exactly at midnight. If no signal was picked up after some minutes, the watch continues with the internally stored time. You may now stop the transmission by pressing the corrector for 1 second. The hands will then move to the recently stored time. You may now adjust the time manually or use the Junghans app to feed a time signal.